Lesson number 19, Our Friends. From this lesson, students will show sensitivity towards the animals, birds, insects found in their surroundings, atmosphere, environment, and will be able to take care of them. They will gain information about the usefulness of animals in their day-to-day life. Chandu Dhobi looks after his donkey very well. The donkey too does a lot of his work. Look at the picture. What are the things that Chandu does for his donkey? Chandu baths the donkey. Chandu feeds grass to the donkey. Chandu gives water to the donkey. Chandu adorns the donkey with flowers. We do not go near some animals due to fear that they may bite us or harm. You have seen that there are some animals whom we can touch. These often live in our houses or around us. Of these, a few animals help us in many ways. Milk of cows, buffaloes, and goats is useful as food. Oxen, donkey, camels, and elephants are used to carry heavy loads. Shawls and sweaters and mufflers are made from wool. Shoes, belt, bags, purses, etc. are made from leather. We get milk, meat, ghee, honey, silk, wool, leather, eggs, etc. from animals. Snakes, pythons, and earthworms do not have legs. Animals and birds eat different food. Animals eat Animals and birds eat different food. Animals eat grass, creepers, leaves, rotis, grains, etc. Some animals kill other animals and eat them as their food. Food of birds is grains, fruits, berries, rotis, small insects, small animals, etc. Animals and birds go from one place to another to get food. Pet animals depend on their masters for their food. Predatory animals and birds hunt small, weak animals for their food. Wild animals also hunt other animals for their food. Animals and birds eat different food. Animals eat grass, creepers, leaves, rotis, grains, etc. Some animals kill other animals and eat them as their food. Food of birds is grains, fruits, berries, rotis, small insects, small animals, etc. Animals and birds go from one place to another to get food. Pet animals depend on their masters for their food. Predatory animals and birds hunt small, weak animals for their food. Wild animals also hunt other animals for their food. Movement of animals. Animals that can walk: cow, buffalo, dog, horse, camel, elephant, etc. Animals that can fly: sparrow, pigeon, myna, parrot, peacock, cock, etc. Animals that can crawl: snake, python, earthworm, etc. Animals that use their beaks: peacock, parrot, egret, pigeon, crow, etc. Animals that use their mouths: cat, buffalo, cow, camel, horse, etc. Difference between animals and birds. Animals have 4 legs. Birds have 2 legs. Animals cannot fly. Birds can fly. Animals do not have beaks. Birds have beaks. Animals do not have wings. Birds have wings. We can take care of animals in the following ways: by giving food and water at the right time to pet animals, by grooming, bathing, and keeping them clean regularly, by keeping their sleeping place clean, airy, bright, and free from germs, by calling veterinary doctor if they fall ill, by not making them work too much, and by not being cruel to them, by building and filling water troughs at many places for animals to drink water. We can take care of birds in the following ways: by constructing bird feeds and scattering grains on them regularly, by keeping shallow earthen vessels filled with water on terrace, roofs, bird feeds, and even on trees, by treating injured birds with love, by protecting their nest. Usefulness of animals. Animals like cows, buffaloes, and goats give us milk. Oxen, camels, horses, and donkeys help us by carrying heavy loads. Bulls and oxen are useful in farming. Camels and horses are used for riding. Dogs guard our house. Natural fertilizer is obtained from dung and urine of animals. Leather obtained from hides of dead cows, buffaloes, oxen, etc. is used to make shoes, belt, bag, purse, etc. Sheep give us wool. Birds like crows, vultures, and kites eat dead animals and keep the earth clean. Hens give eggs, which we use as food. Birds like myna help farmers by feeding on innumerable insects which can harm crops. Birds are useful in dispersal of seeds from one place to another. Earthworms and snakes are useful in farming. Thank you.